A perpendicular is drawn from a point on the line to the plane x plus y plus z equal to this, such that the foot of perpendicular q also lies on the plane x minus y plus z equal to 3. Then the coordinates of q are what here? Consider this one plane here. Equation of this plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 here. And it is on point here. Consider point P as x1, y1 and z1 here. So PQ perpendicular to the plane here. This is a point Q. Okay. So Q is called foot of the perpendicular from the point P here. Q is called foot of the perpendicular of the point P. Okay. If you want to find out the point Q here, then okay, consider this point as x, y and z here. X minus of x1 divided by this a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 by c is equal to minus of replace x by x1, y by y1 and z by z1 here. So ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d divided by a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the formula. In this example, there is a line here. Okay, equation of linear x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to z divided by 1 here. Here the point P lies on the line here. Then projection means perpendicular, foot of the perpendicular from the point P is this one here. Okay, the point Q lies on the plane here. Okay, they already given here. Its equation is x. One more means first equation is x plus y plus z minus of 3 is equal to 0. Equation of this plane here. For this plane, Q is the foot of the perpendicular. Means Q is the foot of the perpendicular P on this plane here. Equation of the plane is this here. This point Q also lies on the one more plane here, like this. Okay, this is one more plane here. Okay, like this here. So second plane. So its equation is this here. That is x minus of y plus z minus of 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So for this plane, Q point lies on the plane here and it is a foot on the perpendicular for the point P. The same point lies on the second plane here. This is one more plane. Okay. Equation of this plane is x minus y plus z minus equal to 0. Then find the value of Q, means coordinate of the point Q. So therefore, let us consider x minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to z divided by 1 is equal to some constant t. So any point lies on a line is take it to this side 2t, take minus 1 right hand side, it becomes a plus 1 here. Minus 1 into t becomes a minus of t. Take a plus 1 right hand side here, minus of 1. 1 into t becomes a t. This is the point that is on the line here. For different values of t, you will get different points on that line here. Consider this point as a p itself here. Let p into bracket 2t plus 1 minus t minus 1 and plus t. Okay. Then foot of the perpendicular from this point on this plane is, therefore foot on that Q is the foot of perpendicular from the point of P. Therefore x minus of x1 is this here 2t plus 1 divided by here equation of the plane is this here x coefficient is 1 so write here 1 is equal to y minus y1 is this here minus t minus of 1 divided by here y coefficient is 1 so write here 1 that is equal to z minus of ts divided by here z coefficient is 1 here so write here 1 is equal to minus of in bracket replace this x by 2t plus 1 here 2t plus 1 replace y by minus t minus 1 here minus t minus 1 replace this z by t here so plus t minus of 3 take 3 left side here minus of 3 divided by then the x coefficient is 1 here so 1 square plus y coefficient is 1 so right here 1 square plus z coefficient is 1 so right here 1 square you are using this formula. Now you simplify take minus inside the bracket x minus 2t minus of 1 here that is equal to y plus t plus 1 is equal to z minus t is equal to here minus of here minus t and plus t cancels here then write here 2t and 1 minus 1 cancels minus of 3 here bracket complete divided by 3 here divided by 3 okay then equate this with this here this with this and that this with that this one so write x y z here so x minus 2t minus 1 is x minus 2t minus of 1 is equal to write this one here minus of 2t plus 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 then take this term right hand side x is equal to minus of 2t plus 3 divided by 3 plus 2t plus 1 here. Then 3 is the LCM here. Okay. So 3 LCM here minus 2t plus 3. 3 2s are 6 here. 6t. Then 3 1s are 3 plus t here. Then 6t minus 2t becomes 4t here. Then 3 plus 3 becomes 6 divided by 3 here. Next y plus t plus 1 is equal to y plus t plus 1 is equal to minus of 2t plus 3 divided by 3 here. Take t plus 1 right hand side here. Y is equal to minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 minus of t minus 1 here. Here 3 is the LCM here. Minus 2t plus 3 minus of 3t minus of 3. Then this is equal to minus 2t minus 3t is minus of 5t plus 3 minus 3 cancels divided by 3. Okay, divided by 3. Similarly, z minus t is equal to z minus of t is equal to minus 2t plus 3 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3. Take minus t right hand side here that equal to minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 minus of become plus t plus t. Then 3 is the LCM here. Then minus 2t plus 3 plus 3t here. Then 3t minus 2t becomes t plus 3 divided by 3 here. So x, y and z here. It is the coordinate of the point q. Therefore q is equal to x coordinate is this 4t plus 6 divided by 3. Then y is this here minus of 5t divided by 3. Then that is this here t plus 3 divided by 3 here. It is the coordinate of the point q. This point q lies on this plane also. Okay. Therefore So this point Q lies on x minus y plus z minus is equal to 0 means this is linear. Therefore replace x by this one here, 4t plus 6 by 3. 4t plus 6 divided by 3 minus sign is there. Y is minus 5t by 3. Minus of 5t divided by 3. Then replace that by t plus 3 by 3 here. So t plus 3 divided by 3 minus of 3 is equal to 0. Then here 3 is seen here. Okay, right? 3 in the denominator. 4t plus 6 here. 4t plus 6 minus into minus plus 5t here. Then plus t plus 3 is equal to 3. Then 4t plus 5t, 6t, sorry, 9 plus 1, 10t here. 10 of 10t here. Then t plus 6 plus 9. So, 6 plus 3 gives 9 here. Take 3 this side and 3 this are 9. This 9 cancels here. 10 t is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 0. It gives the t is equal to 0. Put t is equal to 0 in the coordinate of q. Therefore, q becomes q is equal to substitute t value 0. 6 upon 3. 0 plus 6 divided by 3. Then this becomes a 0. It is a 0. Then 0 plus 3 by 3. 0 plus 3 divided by 3. So 6 upon 3 becomes a 2. 0, 3 and 3 cancels, remaining is 1 here. So 2, 0, 1 means a C answer here. So C is the correct option here. If the plane 2x minus 5 plus 2z plus 3 equal to 0 has the distances 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3 units from the planes here, 4x minus 2y plus 4z plus lambda equal to 0 and 2x minus 5 plus 2z plus mu is equal to 0 respectively, then the maximum value of lambda plus mu is equal to what here? So suppose the two planes are there, parallel planes, ax plus by plus cz plus d1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus cz plus d2 is equal to 0. These are two parallel lines here because x, y, z coefficients are same here. Hence they are said to be parallel planes here. Then distance between two parallel planes is given by modulus of d1 minus of d2 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the formula. Okay. Here they given the three planes here. Consider here 2x minus 5 plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. Take equation number 1 here. Then divided this equation by 2 here. Okay. Therefore 2x minus y plus 2z plus lambda by 2 is equal to 0. Take equation number 2 here. Next 2x minus y plus 2z plus mu is equal to 0. Take this one as equation number 3 here. Means there are three planes here. One plane is this one here. So this is second plane here. And this is third plane. All these are parallel planes here. Consider this is plus first plane here, this is second plane, and this is the third plane here. So distance between these two planes here, it is already given 1 upon 3. This distance is 1 by 3. And the distance between the first and the third plane here, it is 2 upon 3 here. 2 divided by 3. Then the maximum value of lambda plus mu is equal to what is? This is a formula. Distance between 1 and 2 here. Distance between 1 and 2 is modulus of 3 minus lambda by 2 divided by, so root of so 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 upon 3. They are already given it. Then the modulus of 3 minus of lambda divided by 2. Here 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is there, square root of 9 is a 3. That is equal to 1 divided by 3. Then this 3 cancels here. Remove this modulus sign here. 3 minus of lambda upon 2 is equal to plus or minus 1 here. Then take plus 1 first time, say minus 1 second time here. Hence 3 minus of lambda upon 2 is equal to 1. And 3 minus of lambda upon 2 is equal to minus 1. First time take plus and second time take minus 1 here. Then take lambda upon 2 this side and 1 this side. 3 minus 1 is equal to lambda upon 2. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to lambda divided by 2. Then 3 minus 1, 4 here, sorry 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Therefore 2 is equal to lambda by 2. And 3 plus 1 becomes 4 here. 4 is equal to lambda upon 2. Therefore 2 to the 4 here. Lambda is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to 8. Here maximum value of lambda is 8 here. Similarly, distance between 1 and 3. Distance between 1 and 3 is 2 upon 3. They are already given here. Here distance between 1 and 2 is 1 upon 3. Okay. Hence the modulus of 3 minus mu. 3 minus of mu divided by root of again 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square is equal to 2 divided by 3. So modulus of 3 minus mu divided by, so simplify denominator term here 3 is equal to 2 by 3. This 3 cancels. Then remove this modulus and here. Hence 3 minus of mu is equal to plus or minus 2 here. 3 minus of mu is equal to 2. 3 minus of mu is equal to minus 3. Therefore 3 minus 2 is equal to mu. 3 plus 2 is equal to mu. Then 3 minus 2 gives 1 here. Hence mu is equal to 1 and mu is equal to 5. Therefore maximum value of lambda and mu are 8 and 5. 8 and 5 respectively. Therefore lambda plus mu is equal to 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Therefore first option is correct. Maximum value of lambda plus mu is 13.